Hello, good morning. Today we can study about fetal membranes. That is, fetal membranes consist of two layers, outer chorion and inner amnion. In the picture, we can see this is the outer chorion and this is the inner amnion. Chorion, extra-embryonic mesoderm, together with two layers of trophoblast, forms chorion. Later, this will become the embryonic part of placenta. Chorion is thicker than amnion, friable, and is shaggy on both sides. Chorionic leaf. Chorionic leaf means the greater part of the chorion is in contact with the decidua capsularis, and over this portion, the villi get atrophied and only a trace of gum is left. And so, this is known as chorionic leaf. Then chorion frondosum villi on a part of the chorion, which is in contact with the decidua basalis, increases greatly in size and complexity and takes part in the formation of placenta. This is known as chorion frondosum. Then comes the picture showing the decidua capsularis, then decidua basalis, chorion frondosum, and chorion leaf. In the picture, we can clearly see what is chorionic leaf and what is mean by chorion frondosum. Amnion is the inner layer of fetal membrane, and its internal surface is smooth and shiny and is in contact with thicker amnion. Outer surface consists of layer of connective tissue and is opposed to the inner aspect of the chorion. Fully formed amnion is 0.02 to 0.5 millimeter in thickness. Functions of the amnion. This contributes to the formation of liquid amnion. Intact membrane prevents ascending uterine infection, and this will facilitate dilatation of cervix during the time of labor. Then coming to the next portion, that is formation, development, and function of amniotic fluid. First of all, amniotic fluid is a watery liquid. It surrounds and cushions a growing fetus within amnion. Okay, that is amniotic fluid is a watery liquid and it surrounds and cushions the growing fetus within the amnion. Then origin of the amniotic fluid. This is having both maternal origin and fetal origin. That is, it is a transudate from the maternal serum through fetal membrane or from the maternal circulation in the placenta. That is, it is a transudate from the maternal serum through the fetal membranes, or it can be from maternal circulation in the placenta. It is a transudate through umbilical cord or from fetal circulation in the placenta, or it can be a secretion from the amniotic epithelium, or it can be a transudate fetal plasma. In circulation, water in the amniotic fluid is completely changed and replaced in every 3 years. 3 hours. Okay, that is water in the amniotic fluid is completely changed and replaced every 3 hours. Then volume, that is at 12 weeks, the volume is 50 ml. Then at 20 weeks, the volume is 400 ml. Then 36 to 38 weeks, that is the maximum volume, that is 1000 ml. And at term, it measures about 600 to 800 milliliter. In physical features, this is alkaline, having specific gravity 1.010, and it is highly hypotonic to maternal serum at term. That is, this is hypotonic to maternal serum at term. Okay. The normal color, early pregnancy it is colorless, but later it becomes pale straw color. Abnormal color, meconium stain, that is when there is meconium staining, the amniotic fluid becomes green. Then it is having RH incompatibility, the amniotic fluid will, the color will be golden color. Then in post-maturity, it will be greenish yellow. Then in concealed hemorrhage, it will be dark colored. Then IUD or intrauterine death, the color will be dark brown or tobacco juice-like colored. Okay, that is in the meconium staining, the color will be green. Then in RH incompatibility, the color will be golden color. Post-maturity, greenish yellow. In concealed hemorrhage, dark colored, and IUD, dark brown or tobacco juice. In composition, water 98.98% is water and only 1 to 2% is solid part. In solid constituents, the organic constituents consist of protein, glucose, urea, uric acid, creatine, hormones. Inorganic contains include sodium, potassium chloride. And there is also suspended particles such as laminar epithelial cells, various gaseous. When function, this gives protection to the fetus. That is, during pregnancy, this acts as a shock absorber and this maintains even temperature and this prevents attachment of the fetal parts and it allows the free movement. Nutritive values vary less, but water supply to the fetus is adequate. Then during the time of labor, this helps in the dilatation of the cervix. Then during uterine contraction, this prevents the marked interference with placental circulation. When this pressures the blood canal at the end of first stage of labor by its aseptic and bactericidal action, which protects the fetus and prevents ascending infection to the uterine cavity. Then amniotic fluid index, or it is also known as AFI. That is, this is transverse extracellular volume of liquid. Okay. That is, first of all, maternal abdomen is divided into quadrants, taking umbilicus, civic tubices, pubis, and fundus as reference point. That is, reference points is at umbilicus, symphysis, pubis, and fundus. When we see, we can assess the largest vertical pocket in each quadrant and it is measured. Some of the four measurement gives the AFI. Okay, then polyhydramnios or hydramnios, that means where the liquid ammonia exceeds 2000 milliliter. Okay, this is known as polyhydramnios. When liquid ammonia exceeds 2000 milliliters, this is known as polyhydramnios. The clinical location is the excessive accumulation of liquid ammonia causing discomfort to the patient. Or AFI or amniotic fluid index is greater than 25 centimeter. AFI is greater than 25 centimeter in polyhydramnios. Oligohydramnios means liquor is deficient in amount of less than 200 ml and AFI is less than 5 centimeter. Okay, AFI less than 5 centimeter, amniotic fluid volume less than 200 milliliter. The next is umbilical cord. We know that umbilical cord is the connecting link between the fetus and placenta through which the fetal blood flows to and from the placenta. This extends from the fetal umbilicus to the fetal surface of the placenta. Development of umbilical cord. By the end of second week of development, bilateral embryonitis become connected to trophoblast by a band of extra embryonic mesoda. This is known as counting stem. The umbilical cord is developed from this connecting step. In the picture, we can see the connecting step. Okay. Then, as amniotic cavity grows, pushes chorionic cavity to obliterate it, concentration of amnion and chorion. That is, when the amniotic cavity develops, and this pushes the chorionic cavity to obliterate it, and there will be fusion of amnion and chorion. Amnion surrounds the amniotic cavity except at the region of umbilical ring where it is reflected onto the connecting stump and yolk sac. Primitive umbilical cord arises from the connecting stump and yolk sac together. Proximally, the pelvic cord contains lip of intestine and the endo is known as physiological infancy receptor at the end of the colon. That is, proximally, this cord is lying due to endos, and this is known as physiological outflow. And this will disappear by the end of the month. Distally, there will be umbilical vessels. In the picture, we the structures of the umbilical cord consist of only covering epithelium, bottom thin, the two umbilical artery, and one umbilical vein. Covering epithelium is made up of amniotic epithelium. Working jelly would consist of elongated cells in gelatinous fluid. Elongated cells will be present in gelatinous fluid and gives protection to the umbilical vessels. When two umbilical arteries are there, this carry deoxygenated blood from umbilicus to placenta. When one umbilical vein, this carry oxygenated blood from placenta to the fetus. Okay, in this picture we can see there is two umbilical artery, one umbilical vein, and also lengthened cranial tissue. And what about the characteristics of umbilical cord? The length is 50 centimeter, the width is 1.5 centimeter, and it is attached to the nuclear surface of placenta. Near the center, this is known as eccentric insertion, 70%. At the center is known as central insertion, that is 30%. Okay, thank you.